Om Namah Shivaya. Dear students, today we are here to know about one of the greatest patriotic persons ever born on this pious land, Bharat Varsham. He was Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap was a legendary king of Mewar and one of the true patriots who initiated the first war of independence. Today, I will take you through the pages of history of Maharana Pratap and his ancestors. Sri Bappa Rawal, who established the kingdom of Mewar in 8th century, also built the Eklingaji temple. He has stopped foreign invaders from crossing the Sindhu river for many years. A descendant of Bappa Rawal, Rana Kumbha had constructed 33 different forts which include world famous Kumbhalgarh fort and Vijay Stamp of Chittorgarh. Another king of the same dynasty is Rana Sanga, whose life has many stories of braveries and sacrifices. In order to save his motherland, he had lost his one eye, one hand, and one leg also, but did not lose the flame of patriotism. We cannot forget the sacrifice of Pannadhai, who had saved the life of Rana Uday Singh, the father of Maharana Pratap, by willingly giving away the life of her own son Chandan. Maharana Pratap was born on the third day of Jyeshtha in 1540 in the royal family of Mewar. He was born to Rana Uday Singh and Rani Jaivan Kaur. He spent his childhood in Chittorgarh. In 1567, Chittorgarh was surrounded by the formidable forces from the Mughal Emperor Akbar. On the suggestions of his courtiers, Rana Uday Singh decided to leave Chittorgarh and relocate to West Gogunda. Rana Uday Singh died in 1572. And Pratap became the Maharana of Mewar. On the occasion of Holi, he was crowned as king in Gogunda. Till that, almost all the kings has accepted either slavery or symbiotical relationship with Akbar, except Maharana, who never accepted any proposal of Akbar. He valued his independence and sovereignty the most. He was aware of all the consequences of his strong decision and prepared his army from forest dwellers also. On 18th June 1576, the famous Haldi Ghati battle was fought, which was later on known as Rakht Kalai. The warriors of Maharana Pratap walked down to Haldi Ghati from Gogunda. On the other hand, Mughals' army reached Haldi Ghati headed by Man Singh. Mughals' army had around 80,000 soldiers. However, Maharana had only 20,000 warriors. Bindu Rana, also known as Rana Punja, headed the war of Bhil tribes from the side of Maharana Pratap. They fought guerrilla war with Mughals army and destroyed a large part of them. As the war progressed, Maharana's warriors had shown exemplary bravery and set a milestone for coming generations. A war is not won by numbers of soldiers but the courage in one's heart. You can imagine the bravery and courage of Maharana Pratap. Whenever he goes to battlefield, he would carry 80 kg spear and two swords weighing around 208 kgs in total. He would also wear an armor weighing 72 kgs. Once he cut Behlol Khan along with his horse into two pieces by one stroke of his sword. Another famous incident was when he attacked Man Singh with a spear, who was sitting at the top of elephant and Maharana was riding a horse. Unfortunately, Maharana's horse Chetak got injured. At that moment, the need of the hour was well understood by Maharana's army chief Jhalaman. He resembles Maharana Pratap. Hence, he had exchanged his crown with Maharana's royal crown to deceive Mughals. Mughal soldiers got confused and thought Jhalman as Maharana Pratap and killed him. Although Chetak was injured badly, he still carried Maharana more than 5 kilometers and finally jumped a wide seasonal water body which cannot be crossed by other horses and lost his life after securing life of his beloved master Maharana Pratap. This war left a great impact in the mind of Maharana. As a result, he decided to live his royal life and started eating food on leaves, which he continued lifelong. He reunited his soldiers and increased their power and strength and re-established his rule in Aravalli regions. After that, he had also won the Kumbhalgarh fort after defeating Mughals. Except Chittorgarh, he has re-established his rule over all regions of Mewar. Later on, he had made a new capital, Chawand. At the age of 57 years, he left his body on 19th January 1597. Maharana Pratap was the sacred fire in Agni Kunda of independence who kept burning for the pride of nation.